Welcome to the Basic Fishing Bites. In today's episode, what we're going to do is show you exactly how to feed via a catapult. Something you have to do when you're pole fishing or fishing with any type of rod really is the accuracy and the consistency of feeding in the same spot over and over again. So there are a few little things that I do to make sure that happens. Is one, this elbow has to stay still. So you're not, the thing is, you've got to imagine it's like a numbers game. If you feed it there and then you try and feed the exact same spot, you don't know what's moving. So by keeping one hand still, as if you're holding the pole, especially like when we're pole fishing, keep it on your elbow as if you're holding the pole, and then you want to fire. So it's all in your left hand. So what I do, I actually cut, so I use the Matrix ones, obviously they're irrelevant really, but I think like these suit me the best. But I cut mine down slightly, just so that when I fully extend my left elbow, it's the exact same every time, yeah? So it reaches its max point of the catapult every time. So that's a little thing I do. But going on to the basics of it, fill your catapult, obviously depending on how much you want to feed. Trap it in your elbow, that is the key, so it's still. So you're doing the exact same movement over and over again. As long as you extend your elbow, your left elbow, every time, and your right hand stays the same, you've got the exact same distance in between every time, so you can create a rhythm. And all you want to do, you want to look to where you want to go, but the key to it is you do it all smooth in one motion. So you don't like look and then fire, because what you'll find when you fish with maggots and pellets, by the time you do that, your bait's falling out. So it wants to be look where you want to go and fire in one, yeah? So nice and neat. Obviously casters are great for this, but you look where you want to go, make sure your two prongs are facing the sky. You're not doing it like that, so it's side on, and you fire with your left hand as well. You're not pulling it back with your right hand. You stay in your elbow, look at the duck, fire to the duck, yeah? Nice and neat every time. So hopefully you can understand what I mean by that. It's going to be the same rhythm every time. If I want to go a bit higher, I let go a bit higher, so I'll go like that. So I'll let go a bit further, and then they'll go further. Obviously then they start to spread more. So it's all to do with this hand. This right hand stays still, look where you want to go, in one motion, and fire away. And the only little tip I will give you is when you're firing like 8 mils on the long pole, obviously you're going to go a bit higher, but don't and then let go. Try and then flick. So feed your bait and then flick. The only thing that does, it doesn't wrap round and smack you on the hand, which you might do a few times. So hopefully that explains how to feed via one of these. Like and subscribe to see some more videos.